Well, now we are going to see the products generated in the ortodrome video before, and how we can work with all of different information. In images folder, we have output folder with different products that we created in the video number 1, and distorted have the different undistorted images, and we have the low resolution ortho image or ortho mosaic. Is in black and white with low resolution. Inside ortho high resolution, we have the high resolution mosaic. In this case, we work with only one pass, and in different areas we have gaps within without information. If the test we are use different paths, these gaps will disappear. We can see how the resolution is high in this case. Well, for work with all of this information, we have to use ortoSky. Inside of our ortoSky week, we have ortoSky folder 2. We have to register product in the similar way that we do it before in with orthodrone. And when we check with the email, we run ortoSky. We double click, create a new project, and now we are going to see the basic tools of the system for capturing directly in 2D with ortho image. With the ortho image that we created before in orthodrone. We are going to the output folder, and we are going to use the ortho high resolution. Directly drag and drop it through in main window of ortoSky. We have to do again. Okay, and now we can have loaded the ortho image directly, and we can see the coordinate system APCG. In this case, directly loaded from the ortho. We can make zoom in and zoom out using the wheel of the mouse, and we can move pressing a space key of the keyboard. If we have 3D mouse, we can move with this 3D mouse in this way. Now we are going to load the MDB for capture geometries. In this folder we have this MDB, trail data, with this number 23029 is the APCG of this information. Is other coordinate system, but we can use for the for the test of the system. Directly, we have to drag and drop. Press OK. If we have a password of the MDB, we have to introduce. It's not this case. In the connection tab, we have this MDB, GeoMedia MDB, with different layers contains in this connection. Now we are going to select different layers from polygon, line, and point. With Control key, we can choose different layers. And after that, we are going to drag and drop to the main window. We select this point layer, now some line layers too, for this example. Okay, and now drag and drop. Now the system requires the coordinate system. If I remember, the coordinate system of this MDB was 23,029. Maybe we have in the last test coordinate system used. If we don't have it, introduce. We can type it in the filter. Press default for assign this coordinate system to all of the layers, 8 layers in this case. And in the layers tab, we have all of the layers that we checked before. Well, now we are going to draw an polygon element. Select the layer, and the tool is the same tool to draw a polygon or a line. When we finish, click escape, and the polygon is closed. We can change the color, the contour color, or the fill color. For example, in red. And we can change the transparency or opacity of the polygon. When we select an element and click on the attribute window, we can see the different attributes with a code list of each field. We can change or fill the needed information. Now we are going to draw to capture other element, and with this button we can activate the snap to the snap in vertex, and directly when I am near of the vertex, automatically system makes a snap. When finish, fill the information, and this is the way to capture polygon geometries. Now we are going to see how capture point elements. We have to select the hydrography point layer and the tool for capture this type of geometries. And with this element we can change the attributes similar like the polygon geometries. Now line element with the tool needed, for example for capture a curve. And we can move with the space key. The system has a lot of tools, but for this trial we try to show the basic information, the basic tools. And okay, if we capture a wrong vertex, we have to delete. We press sub key. Okay, and we in this way we can configure all the block. For close polyline, when we finish, click right bottom of the mouse and select close polyline. And for the last, we can change the language directly. Select in this option. We can change between English or Spanish or Croatian, for example, and it's not needed to reinstall the software.